Presenting NG EarSafe Comm open-ear Bluetooth headphones. Button control. Hold MFB for 3 seconds to power on or off the device. Bluetooth device name, NG EarSafe Comm. Single-click MFB. Answer or hang calls. Play or pause songs. Double-click MFB. Reject calls. Single-click volume button. Increase or decrease volume. Long press volume button. Plus, next song. Minus, previous song. Triple-click MFB. Activate voice command. Restore factory setting. Press MFB for 10 seconds. Dual connectivity. Connect the headset with device 1. Shut off the device 1 Bluetooth. Connect the headset with device 2. Turn on the device 1 Bluetooth and select the headset to reconnect in the Bluetooth menu.